Let's draw a turtle. A big round shell. Your turn. Straight across, then a tummy. A friendly round head. A stubby little leg. Another leg. A bump on his shell. One little eye. A happy smile. Great job!